You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. The 112 in 1, the 16-bit game cartridge, or in other words, multi-game card from AliExpress. There are a couple of different versions out there. Take that into consideration, because when you're looking at the previous videos I've made, 112 in 1 is a very familiar one. They are reusing this same amount every single time, but this is actually the Mega Drive version, and I'm guessing they're doing this because with the Mega Drive version we're going to have a lot of Mega Drive games, PAL games. And I've seen, let's say with some of these like multi-game cards, that some are, let's say, multi-regions. You can also use it for your, let's say, Genesis. But the main problem I'm having, some of the, let's say, files on here are not compatible with every single system. So when they are using sometimes, or most of the time, Street of Rage 2, that is actually not a PAL game, and the sound's completely messed up. And that is absolutely a naughty thing to do. So when you're looking at the game list itself, there are some slightly different games depending on the model or the version. They call this version the 0.1, but yeah, there are different versions out there. But in the end, the overall, let's say, collection of the games is very nice. With all kinds of cool games like Splatterhouse, Sonic, Street of Rage. Man, the list is absolutely epic. I wish we had this back in the 90s. I would be so, let's say, amazed by it as a child. Because back in the day, we do had multi-game cards. I can remember like a 601 or something, but not like that's extreme and amazing like this. But let's do some gameplay and check out what we're getting. Man, love this intro. Let's play a little bit of Sonic 3! Love this game. So people, testing all of the games is an impossible task. I tried a couple of them, and so far I can see like Street of Rage 2 always has the same problem, that the music is completely messed up, but that has the reason because it's a different kind of file on there and not compatible with my PAL system. Some games will sound really slow for some of the viewers because of I'm using a PAL system. Oh man, I'm gonna be honest, I really hate it sometimes. But actually that's what I grew up with and I'm still having at the moment. The 112 one, I can do an in-depth video about it with different versions. Let me know in the comments. Thank you all for watching, and it will be great to see you in the next video.